Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact process to unlock and run Grok 4.5 directly inside your Cursor code editor. This incredible model, trained jointly by XAI and Cursor on trillions of developer interaction tokens, excels at multi-file code-based reasoning and long-running terminal tasks. To integrate it seamlessly, first open your Cursor editor. Navigate to the top right corner and click the gear icon to access your settings panel. Next, click on Models, scroll down to the bottom of the list, and make sure to manually toggle the brand new Grok 4.5 switch to Enabled so it appears in your active workspace. Once activated, simply return to your main editor workspace, open the Chat sidebar, Agent panel, or hit Command-I to launch the Multi-File Composer. Finally, click the Active Model drop-down menu at the bottom of the prompt window and select Grok 4.5 from your list of available first-party models to start generating lightning-fast, production-ready code instantly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.